Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to provide some important details about the difference between free version and paid versions while using these AI tools. In this course, we are using Piclumen and Halo AI tools mainly to create these videos. So, at any point in time, if you wish to follow the course and if you wish to make these videos along with me and if you want to do these projects, then you may have to upgrade to the premium version. So for Piclumen, you have to give your email address. Once you give your email address, your account will be registered and you click on this icon and you see an option called purchase here. Once you click on it, you see these plans here. So you have monthly plan, which is $11 per month. So you can enroll in standard version or a standard subscription, make these videos. Once the job is done, you can cancel the subscription at any point in time. In the same way, for video generation, we have Halo AI. Once you give your email address, your account will be registered. Once your account is registered, on the top right hand side, you see standard here. Click on it and you see all the plans here. You have, standard plan, professional plan, master plan. So depending upon your requirement, you may subscribe to one of these plans so that, you can create these videos and you can follow the course along with me to do these projects, and it will be really helpful for you. And once the project is completed, you can cancel this subscription. Alright, so this is some information that I wanted to give before we move further. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.